Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can delete TikTok account permanently from the TikTok server. It's super easy to do. Let's get started. Open up your TikTok app and then logged into your account, that account that you want to delete permanently from the TikTok server. You have to simply log in and then go to the settings and privacy. Click on that and then go to accounts. In accounts and account profile, so you will see over here your profile pop-ups over here. So you can see bunch of options over here about your account, password, passkey, switch to business account, download your data as well. When you want to delete your account permanently, you have to do is download your all data that you have uploaded on TikTok and then go to your next step to delete your account. So for me, I'm downloading my data from TikTok. So as you can see, download request to data, or like you can simply do is download data. Your data request has been processed. So as you can see, there's gonna be like they will send you an email like in 4 days, or like between 4 days or 1 to 4 days. So then you can simply download your data, and then you can simply do is delete your account. Click on that and then you will pop up this options over here or menu like that. So you have to simply click on delete account permanently. At the second option, your account and content will be deleted permanently. You may cancel the deletion request by reactivating your account within 30 days, or like whenever you want to reactivate your account in 30 days, it is possible, but after 30 days you will never recover your account, or like you can simply put your email and you will create a new account on TikTok. So I am leaving temporarily, give feedback, and then click on continue, and then it will pop up over here. So you have to simply check this option at the bottom and then click on continue, and then again continue. It's a confirmation message from the TikTok that you want to delete your account. So when you receive your 6-digit code on your number, or like that you have uploaded on the TikTok, like email or number, they will send you a 6-digit code, and then you have to paste over here, or like type over here that 6-digit code and click on delete, and it's gonna be deleted within 30 days. And if you want to reactivate your account but you didn't reactivate it between 30 days, so it's gonna be deleted permanently. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos, and also share with your friends that they need this so they can be helpful. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.